One of the reasons why we gathered is to look at how we find ways to ameliorate the challenges the families of the fallen heroes face. I think that we're tired in this country. Every year meeting to launch emblem, to take to Qatar, to support for the families of the fallen heroes. What I thought as it's done in advanced countries is a day of remembrance of their efforts. That means by now, as a country, we should have had a standing fund that will take care of the families of the fallen heroes. That is what a serious country should be talking about. And so when you say you also solicit for the support of corporate bodies, they laugh at us. They say, what kind of a country is this? People who have fought for you, people who have laid their lives for you to be alive, to survive, to continue with what you are doing. What is he talking about? How do we support them? How do we support them? And that is why, again, because of this, we have in our security agencies, that's why most of them are not committed. Yes, because they know when they die, or they will hear launching of emblem to help their families. So they are involved in so many things to take care of their families now, in case anything happens. So we must also look at it. That's why sometimes I look back. Ordinarily, involvement in oil bunkers and economic sabotage. Nigeria as a country, the federal government as a matter of duty, should come up to say, look, what in every year should we earmark in our federal budget? This is the amount we use to take care of the families of the fallen heroes. A few weeks ago, some criminals killed 3 of our policemen who were on duty to save us. Let me commend the security agencies of taking the fight back to them. And those young men who killed the 3 policemen, and thank God too, they have also joined them there. And so, just like it's our practice, it's our custom, each of the families of those 3 policemen that died will give them 20 million naira. So as Rivers State government will still launch this year's emblem with a sum of 50 billion naira.